So right, welcome to KMED GATES Education. So the first question is the phase voltage of the three-phase star connected alternator is voltage V. By mistake the connection of our phase got reversed. The line voltages. So if you see here, this is VR and this is VY and this is VB. Okay, so we know that you have 120 degrees phase displacement. So ninga pathina, so this is 120 degrees phase displacement. So inge 120 degrees phase displacement. So 120 degrees phase displacement, right? So how can you calculate the line voltages? Suppose what are the line voltage? Suppose phase voltage VRN, that equal to VR, that equal to VYN, that equal to VY, that equal to VBN, phase voltages. So simply VR means it is a voltage between the line and neutral. It is a voltage between the line and neutral. Okay, so ninga pathina, this is phase voltage. So this is phase voltage and this is phase voltage. So we know that how can you calculate the line voltage? So line voltages are VRY, VYB and VBR. So these are the line voltages. These are the line voltages. Okay, so VR I can write this VR minus VY, VY minus VB, VB minus VR, VB minus VR. So let's see here. First of all, I find VRY. So VRY, VR minus VY. So this is VY. So if I extend this, same V minus Y is opposite to that. So this is minus VY, minus VY. So if I draw this you have a 60 degrees, this you have a 60 degrees and this you have a 60 degrees. So VRY equal to VR minus VY. So if you draw parallelogram, so this is the VRY resultant. This is the VRY resultant. You have a 30 degrees, you have a 30 degrees. So if I have a phase current IR, okay, so this is phi. This is phi. So from this, what are the questions we can have? First, from this, what are the questions? What are the questions for 1 mark you can have? 1 mark you can have. First question for star connected. This is a star connected. For star connected, what is the first question you have? In this, for star connection, line voltages VRY leading how much degrees? 30 degrees. VR is the phase voltage. VR is the phase voltage. This is a line voltage. So line voltage leading 30 degrees phase voltage. Line voltage is leading 30 degrees by phase voltage. Line voltage is leading, very important question. Line voltages are leading 30 degrees of the phase voltage. Okay, second question pathina phi the power factor angle, power equal to VI cos phi. This is the phi. So phi is the angle between what you observe. This is a phase voltage, this is a phase current. Second question, very important question. Phi is the angle between phase voltage and phase current. Phi is the angle between the phase voltage and phase current. Very important. Phase current. So in star connection or delta connection, this satisfies for both. In star or delta, the phase, the power factor angle is the angle between the phase voltage and phase current. Next question. Line voltage, the line voltage leads phase current. Line voltage leads phase current by 30 plus 5 degrees. 30 plus 5. Line voltage inga pathinga 30, this is 5, 30 plus 5. The line voltage leads the phase current by 30 plus 5. 30 plus 5. Fourth point. So what is the fourth point? Line voltage leads line current by how much? 30 plus 5. Because in star connection, line current equal to phase current. line current equal to phase current. Okay, so these are the four very important points regarding the star connection. So next come to the here is, in this line current equal to star connection, line current equal to phase current, line current equal to phase current. So you can see here, let observe here, VRY equal to angle between VRY is the line voltage. So VRY is the line voltage, that is the voltage between VR and VY, VR and minus VY. Okay, VR and minus VY. Apply parallelogram, applying parallelogram between VR and minus VY, VR and minus VY, root of VR square plus minus VY whole square. So you take magnitude only, right? So root of VR square plus VY square plus 2 VR VY cos 60 degrees. How much is angle between them? 60 degrees. So root of V square, you take magnitude of VR square, magnitude of VY square, 2 magnitude of VR VY. Okay, so 2 V square cos 60 1 by 2. So root of 3V square root 3V, that equal to V equal to phase voltage. Okay, so line voltage equal to root 3 into phase voltage, line voltage equal to root 3 equal to phase voltage. So this is how you calculating the line voltage. So you applying parallelogram law, so you get this. What is the parallelogram? Root of mod VR square plus mod VI square to 2 mod VR VY cos 60. What is angle between VR and V minus VY? Angle between minus VR and minus VY. Now observe the question. Now observe pannunga question. So VR VY VB. Okay, so now the question change, only the V phase is changed, R phase is changed. So I am changing by mistake, R phase is reversed. Question enna parunga, by mistake R phase got reversed, I reversed it. So this is 120 degrees. What happens if I reverse? It is perpendicular to this, so you get 60 degrees, you get 60 degrees. So now I don't have this, what, this minus VR I don't have. Okay, but you represent like this. So let I have VR like this. Okay, so this is, let I place that. Okay, so for understanding purpose, now I want VRY and VYB and VBR. So what is VRY? So this is VR minus VY. So let's take another thing. Okay, so minus VY. Okay, so you can see here, observe here, this is 60 degrees and this is 60 degrees. VR and VY, you have VR and VB, you have 120 degrees. Okay, this will be 60 degrees. So I want VRY, so resultant parallelogram. Okay, so resultant parallelogram, you get VRY. So VRY equal to root of V square plus V square 2V square cos 120. So root of V square 2V square cos of 90 plus 30 minus sin 30 minus 1 by 2. You get root of 2V square plus V square minus V square, sorry, okay, plus V square minus V square cancel. So you get cos of 90 plus 30 sin 30 minus V square, sorry, this V square cancelled. You get V, VRY equal to V. Similarly VRY equal to V. What is VYB? So you observe here, VYB, VY minus VB. So this something like this, minus VB. So this is 60 degrees and this is 60 degrees and you have this. So you pathina VYB equal to root of V square plus V square 2V square cos of 60. So what is angle between VY and minus VB? Cos 60. So you get here root 3V. root 3 V. Okay, similarly VBR, so VBR pathina, this you get root 3 V. So what is VBR? So VB minus VR, so minus VR, so minus VR means this blue color gives the minus VR. Okay, so VB minus, this is resultant, so this is 60, this is 60, 120 degrees, so for 120 degrees you get V. Okay, so this is V, this is V, so VRY equal to VYB equal to VBR. Okay, so this is V and this is root 3V and this is V, so VRY equal to VYB by root 3 equal to VBR equal to V. So if you substitute, so VRY equal to V, VYB equal to root 3 into V, VBR equal to V, cancel, so you get V. Okay, so VRY equal to VYB equal to VBR equal to V, so VRY equal to VBR equal to VY by root 3, VY by root 3. So option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. So in the mari question kudukrappa, so which phase is reversed? Which phase is reversed? That phase VRY and VBR will be same. Without that phase, Vy by divided by root 3, note that. Okay, so if which phase is reversed, so VR is reversed, R common point you take the same voltage without R divided by root 3. If you get the answer our question in TRB Polytechnical lecture or TNEB exam, this is an IES question. Okay, very important expected question. Okay, right, எந்த voltage reverse பண்றீலோ, எந்த வோல்டேஜ் நீங்கள் ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணுறீங்களோ, எந்த ஃபேஸ் நீங்கள் ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணுறீங்களோ அந்த ஃபேஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ் பூரா ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். அந்த ஃபேஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ் இல்லாத என்னது VYBயில் இருக்கையா, அது வந்து டிவைடட் பை, சப்போஸ் இஃப் பை மிஸ்டேக் Y phase is reversed, VRY equal to VYB equal to VBR by root 3. ஓகே, முடிஞ்சிச்சு வேலை. நாளைக்கு இது ஒரு 2 மார்க் வந்தால் விட்டுருவீல. ஸோ டோன்ட் மிஸ் 2 marks. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் பாருங்கள். 3 ஸ்டார் கனெக்டட் லோட்ஸ் ஆஃப் 3 at angle 60 and 3 delta connected loads are 9 at 60 are connected in parallel and fed from 3 phase balanced source having a line to neutral voltage of 120 volts. லைன் டு நியூட்ரல் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா அது என்னது? லைன் டு நியூட்ரல் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா அது என்னது? கண்டிப்பாக ஸ்டார் கனெக்டட். ஸோ நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா let's see here, this is a star connected. Okay, star connected line to neutral voltage எவ்வளோ? so that is phase voltage கொடுத்துருக்காங்க எவ்வளோ? 120 volts. okay, 120 volts, right. இப்போ வந்து லோடு கனெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒரு லோடு கனெக்ட் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் நார் ஃபேஸ், ஒய் ஃபேஸ், பி ஃபேஸ். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் ஸ்டார் கனெக்டட் லோட ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டார் கனெக்டட் லோடு. ஸோ ஃபர் ஸ்டார் கனெக்டட் லோடு எவ்வளோ? 3 at angle 60 degrees. This is R and this is phi and this is B. So this is R and this is Y and this is B. okay, so அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டெல்டா கனெக்டட் லோட். okay, so அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டெல்டா கனெக்டட் லோட். so I connect the delta connected. so this is an delta connected load. This is R and this is Y and this is B. so I am connecting R and connecting Y and I am connecting B. These are connected in parallel. R connected in R, Y, B, B same. okay va? so R connected in parallel. இப்போ என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க? the line currents drawn from the supply. so I want line current drawn from the supply. so this line current வந்து split ஆகும். இங்கே IL1 and this is IL2 and this is IL2. So if I convert this delta connected load, if I connected this delta connected load equivalent to star, if I convert this delta connected load in equivalent star, this is R and this is Y and this is B, then my matter is simple. Okay, wow. So whenever 9 at an angle 60, it converts into delta to star, it reduced by 3 at an angle 60 degrees. 3 at an angle 60 degrees. Now the phase, it look like this. Okay, so now line current equal to phase current. Now line current equal to phase current. Okay, so I line 1 equal to V phase. V phase how much? 120 by 3 at an angle 60. Right. IL2 V phase by line current equal to phase current, that equal to 120 by 3 at an angle 60. Total line current, supply current equal to IL1 plus IL2, that equal to 40 by 1 at an angle 60, that equal to 40 at an angle minus 60 plus 40 at an angle minus 60. Okay, right. So this is nothing but 80 at an angle minus 60. 80 at an angle minus 60. So okay, so why I am considering R phase means it is 120 at an angle 0. Y phase 120 at an angle minus 120. B phase 120 at an angle minus 240. So if I consider 120 minus 120 at an angle minus 120, 120 angle minus 240, எனக்கு calculation எனக்கு mathematics weak, ஓகேவா. ஸோ கேல்குலேஷன் கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட் ஆகும், அதனால நான் போவே இல்லை. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ் ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருந்தால் நீங்கள் யூ கோ ஃபார் தட். Y phase consider part. I am calculating for R phase. Okay, so 80 at an angle 60 here, 80 at an angle minus 60 here. Y phase I have minus 60 minus 120 here. I will get here 80 at an angle minus 60 minus 240. So each has a phase current of, each has a current of, line current from each has 80 amperes. How much? 80 amperes. So these two are very, very, very important question. You can expect 2 marks for TRB and TNAB. Okay, thank you.